Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we're going to take a look at why are you getting permanent pitting or eroding on the surface of your glassware. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You bought a dishwasher to clean your dishes, not damage them. Unfortunately, there are a few things that could cause the etching of your glassware. To check if your glassware is etching, you can hold it towards a light at an angle. Initially, etching appears in shades of blue, pink, purple, or brown. In more advanced stages, the glassware will appear to be cloudy, and in severe cases, you will even see a frosting effect. To prevent etching, there are a few things that you can do to help save your dishes. Manually pre-rinse dishes before loading them to remove any heavy soiled foods or stains inside the glassware. Make sure the water temperature that comes into your dishwasher is between 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Try to use a shorter wash cycle. Longer wash cycles add more detergent than necessary, which increases the possibility of etching. Following these steps will help keep your glassware looking like new for many years to come. Hey, and if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.